So given array, okay, not an array, given a array, which you have presumably cobbled together through something. This will iterate through all the entities. See, this is why I need the invert. This is basically just all those other primitives were just kind of leading up to this. It chunks up the indices into blocks of 3 because remember we have index rendering, so every block of 3 indices is a triangle. So this just slides a window effectively across all those. It pulls them out, it intersects them, and then it does some bookkeeping to see which is the closest point. I mean, you could just easily pull this out of the scene and have it take the entities. It just seemed to make sense. So the reason I did it in the scene is because I think eventually scene will become more complex and have some sort of acceleration behind it. So at the moment, like when you cast array, you have to intersect every single triangle in the scene. So ideally that should do like early culling with AABBs. You might then have like an octree, or what was it? Like bounding volume hierarchy. So I think scene might actually eventually become an interface through which you could have different implementations for these kind of things. So it just seemed like a logical place to stick it for me.